Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find or locate a specific text on a web page in your Firefox, Chrome, or Edge web browser. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. If you just want to do a search for any text-based words in here, again, it has to be able to be text. It can't be an image, but if it's just in a text format, like something you can highlight over and actually copy the text, that's what today's tutorial will cover. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So either tap the Control and F key on your keyboard or select the menu icon at the top right corner of your browser and select the Find in Page option. So again, either tap Control F on your keyboard or Find in Page. And if you had Chrome, for example, the Control F key works as well, or you can select the menu icon and then you would select the option that says Find. Same deal with that. And if we open up Edge here, select the menu icon, and then you would select Find on Page. So again, pretty straightforward on that, guys. And then in that field, you just would search for whatever word you're looking for, and it would tell you how many times it was found or occurred on said page, and it would be highlighted. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.